everyone. Today we are here with another grammar topic, that is the sentences. Now, what are these sentences? When we speak or write, we use words. We generally use these words in a group, in a systematic way. Such group of meaningful words which convey our thoughts form sentences. A group of meaningful words arranged in a proper way to express a complete sense is called as sentence. Okay. So once again we will see the definition of sentence. See, a group of meaningful words arranged in a proper way to express a complete sense is called a sentence. The sentences can be of different types. Generally, there are 4 kinds of sentences. As you can see, I have prepared one nice chart for you for your better understanding. First one is assertive sentence. Second is interrogative sentence. Third one is imperative sentence. And fourth one is exclamatory sentence. So like this, the sentence is divided into 4 parts. So now we are going to see each and every part in detail. So as we have discussed earlier, sentences can be of 4 kinds, that is assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. So first one is assertive sentences. Now what are assertive sentences? It expresses facts or statements. Means assertive sentences are the sentences which expresses fact, which is a fact, universal truth, which is universal truth and which is fact. It expresses that, and which is also, it can also be fact or it can be a statement. Statement, general statement. It starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Always assertive sentence starts with a capital letter and it ends with the full stop. Now you can see one example here. See here. There are 30 students in my class. So what it is? This is assertive sentence. It is expressing some fact or statement. It is a statement that there are 30 students in my class. So now next, which type of sentence it is? It is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence itself says that interrogation means when we are asking questions to someone. Interrogative sentence itself says that it is when questions are asked, it is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence always asks a question and expects an answer. They begin with the capital letter and ends with the question mark. That is a sign that question mark is a sign that this sentence is a interrogative sentence. Now we can see the example of it. Which shirt do you like? Now this sentence is an interrogative sentence. It starts with the capital letter and ends with the question mark. Now third type of sentence, it is imperative sentence. Now what are imperative sentences? Sentences which conveys advice, request, order or something like that. It is called as imperative sentences. So imperative sentence, when you give advice to someone or you request something to someone or you order someone, like shut the door, open the window, like these sentences, when you are giving order to someone, that type of sentence, it is imperative sentence. The subject part you is generally omitted in the sentences, these type of imperative sentences. Now we will see the examples of that. That is, be quiet, have mercy upon us. Now see here you is missing here. You be quiet, you have mercy upon us. So here subject is missing in these sentences. So type of sentences are imperative sentences. Now coming towards the next, what is an exclamatory sentence? An exclamatory sentence is nothing but a sentence that expresses a sudden feeling of joy, sorrow, hatred, surprise, applause, and so on. It is called as exclamatory sentence. Sudden feeling of human beings, when it is expressed, it is called as exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence always ends with an exclamatory mark. And what is the and we will see one example. What a shame, and exclamatory mark. Remember this, when the sentence ends with an exclamatory mark, it is an exclamatory sentence. As like interrogative sentence, when sentence ends with the when sentence ends with question mark, it is an interrogative sentence. An exclamatory sentence, when sentence ends with an exclamatory mark, it is an exclamatory sentence. So now it's a time to practice that what we have studied, have we understood that or not. So we have to practice when we will practice, then only the sentences, what are the type of sentences, all the 4 types of sentences, have we understood that. So how we will come to know, when we will practice. So this is a time of to practice, identify the kind of sentences. So now see, man is mortal. So now which type of sentence it is? Man is mortal. This is an assertive type of sentence. Why are you talking so loud, and question mark is there. Now can you guess which type of sentence it is? When question mark will come and when question will be there, the sentence it is in question form, it is called as interrogative sentence. May I come in? So now this is asking this can be tricky. So may I come in, and question mark it is there. So it is interrogative sentence. Honesty is the best policy. So now which type of sentence it is? It is a fact. So assertive sentence. So it is an assertive sentence. He always gives his best effort in the team. This is also an assertive type of sentence. Pass the salt. Pass the salt. Now which type of sentence it is? It is an order given. So pass the salt, or request told. So it is a request, pass the salt. So it is which type of sentence? It is imperative sentence. So clean your room. So now this is an order given. So it is clean your room. So this is an imperative sentence. The ice cream sundaes are my favorite, and exclamatory mark is there. So when exclamatory mark is at the end, so which type of sentence it is? It is an exclamatory sentence. What an ugly bug. So after that, instead of question mark, it is exclamatory mark. So when exclamatory mark is there, which type of sentence can you guess? This is exclamatory sentence. I got the concert tickets. So exclamatory mark is there. Sudden feeling, it is told that that they have got the feeling of joy, they have expressed that I have got the concert tickets, and exclamatory mark it is shown. So it is exclamatory sentence. Thank you, students.